Hello there again. I kind of just want to keep this rhythm going and see where this leads me to, because my last attempt of keep doing this failed. So I wonder how long I'm gonna weekly doing this, but we'll just see. I never know. But if I didn't remember it wrong, when this load up, it will be a butterfly or the cocoon. It's not a crazy pretty butterfly, but anyways, it's something I changed from the one that I destroyed. The rock is too heavy. Remember last time? You know? Yeah, that one. Anyways, this one. If everything goes well. Boosh! Yeah. That's what I was waiting for. Look at this. Just so cool. Every single time loading, just boosh. It's like, yeah, it's a few tile past the fire, and the fire is just still really hot and bright on the snow. It's just really pretty. Anyways, back to awkward painting. The things I do to be able to upgrade my villages. A level 7 snow village. It's a snow village too, so yeah. That's my villager. They're hyped. Just for all the cool stuff. What do I need? The funny thing is, sometimes when I do this, I just write it down on the YouTube search bar. It has to be YouTube. It has to be the YouTube search bar. I don't search it actually. Let's write it down. That's 25 crossroads. I didn't really memorize this, which is sad. Tried. Is it 15? Four. Oh. Does this mean another trip to the crazy place? Like the caves of the desert hot craziness? Let's check back to the main spawn. Yeah, I probably later on gonna be like, please work, please work, please work, please work, please work. There we go. Anyways, yeah, probably gonna be like a large crazy amount of granite. Use crazy amount of granite and just build a large elevator until my village and just build this part all out. That would be cool. But that's like way into the future. My world is kind of cool because you see there's this like 200-meter away cave entrance. I marked it. There are actually like 2 cave entrances right next to one another. You find the wrong one. Oh wait. Don't die. Phew, I didn't die. Phew, I didn't die. See? This is what I'm talking about. They don't stand a chance. Please, don't embarrass me for nothing. Please. Thank you. Come here. Come here. Yeah, punch me. Because you can't shoot your arrow. You don't have distance. Come here. Please. 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 You're dying, by the way. Anyways, let's go to the entrance and show you the cool trick. Please don't kill me. Sketties. You see it's like 570 meter, right? So go here. Keep on going. Keep on going. Yay. Didn't really build a lot of like crazy stuff since the start of the Lego Fortnite, which honestly I'm a little bit sad that I didn't do that. Mostly I'm just like really enjoying the game, but it's just a single player with all the villages and content. It's actually enough for me. I'm enjoying it. Even though the update and stuff is not that crazy. Hopefully we get like a part 2. Look at that. Then we are 20 meters away and home safe. This is my main village. I know. I just love the way I source stuff too. This is like kind of, oh wait, I need another thing. I can just put rest of the stuff that I want to make in this one. And then we'll come back with the stuff. I can just use a crafting table. And this is all my wooden stuff. And this is all the, you know, stuff related to that bad boy. And yeah. Cool stuff. And then kind of 2 Stonebreaker. You know why? Look at that. It's all Kaju. I don't know how to use it. If I assign a villager that job, they just work so fast. It's crazy. And blast too, which I'm doing in the snow village, because if I do it in the snow village, there are empty grand chests. Then I can just grab those material and then put it in my village. Yay, capitalism. Anyhow. What do I need to do? Oh yeah, it's on my YouTube search bar. Let me check. 25, 20, take 5, push, 5, 20 Kalakai. Oh, yeah, nice. Yes, again. 15? 15. And 30. 30. Perfect. I really like what they do with the bright cord, because before get bright cord is so tough. But now I'm just go to a desert cave and slave wizard lightsaber. I think it's really cool, you know. Just do it that way. This is gonna take a while. I could actually do it. No, I don't have the. I need it. But yeah, maybe. I don't know. Let's see. Yeah, it's gonna take a while. I'm gonna go to my little village. Oh, by the way, this is cool too. So, I figured if I want to build another village, in is a grassland village. So I just like basically store all the stuff that I need, and then put the village score on top of it, and then just move this way straight until they say yes, you could make another village. It's like the most closest one that you can get. Technically not really, since like your first village, I think, is like the area or volume they gave you is like bigger than the rest of them. I don't know, I didn't really measure it, but it just looks like it. But yeah, this is like the other. Please don't whine. Please. Please. Thank you. This is like the whole village dedicated to fish bait. Because the blue one needs that, needs that, and needs that. And I was thinking, probably just gonna capture a few cow, which I start set up here, and just let all my villagers working on cows. And I can get spicy burger, which is pretty cool. This wall is really nice, and I really love all the mosaic set too. Got it like a few days ago, 1 day, 2 days ago, which is really cool. Close the door. Be a polite person. Yeah. Anyways, the incident that we don't talk about. If some of y'all watch a lot of YouTube, you will know what am I saying. The incident. Nobody will own those two words, so I'm safe to say that. Don't get copyright strike. Yeah, that won't be nice. Anyways, wow, it's already 12 minutes. That's crazy. Time flies. So yeah, this thing has slowly been destructed. Line by line, and my sky will be clear. Oh, by the way, I figured, because it's been a while, so I want to try my helicopter again. And you know what happened? The balloon signs doesn't work anymore. Well, not really doesn't work, but the balloon just like the buoyancy and how much it lifts is just too much. Without driving, this thing could just lift way up there. So yeah, adjust the balloon, and because it's always like it's either front tilt or back tilt, which is really annoying. So yeah, you don't get a tail light or a proper tail anymore. You just got that. It's fine. It's perfectly balanced now, so it's good. Anyways, so yeah, that's kind of a few things that is cool that happened since the last time. Which, if you didn't see that, you probably should, because I say some famous people's name in that video. I'm just gonna say that. Anyways, so yeah, pretty cool so far. And wait, yeah, this is another thing. Maybe I did show it last time? Probably not. The last video is quite short, actually. Look at that. That jump pad? Please don't die. Okay, I didn't die. Phew. Yeah, that jump pad like saved me so many time. Like saved me so much time. I guess. Proper English, please. And also, I have been start to, try some of these things out. And I think, wait, if you stack a lot of these doors together and you just run through it, boosh boosh, that would be so cool. That would be so cool. You can just run through it. And like, look at that view. It's like, torch running away. Look at that. It's like a little like a little window. Window. Oh, that gave me ideas. The door will no longer be doors. It will be windows. Oh, probably a lot of people already did it. Because this thing has been out for a bit already. But anyways. I don't know. This game is still fun for me. Because really, like, since now I start to want to get into building the real cool builds, just because, you know, the Craftopia Discord has really just changed me. A lot of stuff that's thought, and it's wrong. It's just pure wrong. Especially in these, like, solo village, you can do, like, so much. Solo village and solo server. Like, if you use it well, you can do some crazy stuff. But yeah, this is kind of overview, and the other village doesn't even load right now. But yeah, it's kind of just a place sometimes, you know, if I need to make an urgent call, I don't have good server, that's where I would do it. Hopefully my villagers are not freaking out. Anyways, yeah, this has been fun. Hope to see you guys next time.